Hello everyone, I am Selvaraj Sanjay from ENH iSecure. Welcome to this demo. I hope you have gone through the presentation video in which I have covered the importance of customizing Okta, the prerequisites you'll need, and how it enhances the user experience. In today's demo, I'll walk you through the two key steps. First, I'll show you how to configure a custom domain in Okta, and then I'll guide you through customizing the sign-in page to align your company's branding. So let's get started. To set up a custom domain in Okta, navigate to Customizations, Brands. In the Brand section, you will see the default brand, which is the one used for current login page. Now to create a custom login experience, let's create a custom brand. You can name the brand according to your preference. Here I will be naming it as Employees, and this will allow you to configure a custom login page and set a custom URL, providing a branded and personalized login experience for your users. After creating a custom brand, now click on the Employees. As you can see several tabs. Now I'll walk you through each tab and explain the actions you can perform in them to customize the login experience. First, let's take a look at the Theme tab. Here you can customize the appearance of Okta's user-facing pages. This includes adjusting the logo, colors, background images, and fav icons to reflect your brand's identity, where you can upload your company's logo and choose a custom background color that aligns with your corporate colors. These changes will be visible to users on login and other Okta pages. Next, we have the Pages tab. Here, you can manage the different user-facing pages such as sign-in page, end-user dashboard, error pages. You can set the pages to redirect user to specific URLs after login or if error occurs, ensuring a smooth experience. This is where you define the user flow. Now let's go to the Email tab. In this section, you can customize the templates for email notification sent to users. For example, password reset emails, account verification emails, and more. You can modify the content format and branding of these emails, ensuring they reflect your company's look and feel. In Domains tab, you can configure a custom email address to send emails to users in your organization. By default, Okta sends emails from noreply@okta.com. However, you can customize this to use your own domain, ensuring that notifications like password resets or account changes can come from email addresses that reflects your company's branding. Next, you can set up the custom domain for Okta. This allows you to create a personalized login URL such as login.yourcompany.com instead of using Okta's default domain, providing a more branded and seamless login experience for your users. Now let us see how we can add a custom domain. For that, click on Add Domain. In the domain field, enter the subdomain name. Here I will be entering employees.enhdemos.in. Employees.enhdemos.in is the custom domain that Okta will use for your organization's authentication flow. In the certificate management, use Okta Manage Certificate, where Okta will automatically handle the SSL certificate for your custom domain if you don't want to manage it yourself. If you choose this option, Okta will take care of renewal and security. This is the recommended option. If you prefer using your own certificate, choose Bring Your Own Certificate, where you will need to provide both private key and public key and take care of the certificate chain. Now click on Next. As you can see, the TXT and CNAME values are generated. Access your DNS management console, for example GoDaddy, Cloudflare, and many more. Add the TXT and CNAME records to the DNS and wait until it reflects globally. Once you have updated your DNS records, in New tab, search for DNS Checker. You can visit any DNS checker tool. Here I will be visiting DNS Propagation Checker. Here we need to paste the TXT host. For that, we'll copy the TXT host. Now here, paste your TXT host. Select TXT from the drop-down and click on Search. As you can see, records have propagated globally. Open a new tab and look for CAA lookup tool. Select the Entrust CAA lookup tool. Input your custom domain in the designated field and hit search. Ensure that all the CAs are authorized. If not, you will need to include the Let's Encrypt CA record in your DNS to grant them authorization. These are the values which you need to add to your DNS to add Let's Encrypt. Now let us verify by clicking on Next. Once again we'll click on Next. As you can see, the certificate has been successfully issued. Now Okta will renew the certificate automatically. To keep our domain working, ensure the DNS records remains active. Now click on Finish. We are now done with custom domain configuration. As you can see, the custom domain is in pending state. It takes around 10 to 15 minutes to move to active state. After 10 to 15 minutes, you can see the custom domain moving to active state. Now let us verify by clicking on the custom URL. Enter your user credentials. I got a push notification where I need to verify it is me who is logging in. As you can see, we can able to access the end user dashboard using the custom URL, and now we'll customize our login page and end user dashboard. For that, navigate back to the admin console. Navigate to the theme tab. Here we will be customizing the sign in page. In the logo section, click on the pencil icon to upload the company's logo. You can customize the primary color which gets applied to the action buttons, text links. As you can see, the changes are reflecting the right side. Now let's upload the background image and also the fav icon. After all changes, click on Save. Now let's verify by clicking on the custom URL. As you can see, the modification to the sign-in page are now visible. We will now customize the end user dashboard. For that, click on the Pages tab. Now click on the Configure next to the end user dashboard. As you can see, there are three base styles. You can choose any one of it and click on the Save and Publish. Let's verify by navigating to end user dashboard. Let us refresh this page. As you can see, the changes have been reflected in end user dashboard. That's a wrap. We have successfully customized the Okta login page with your company's branding. We also tailored the end user dashboard to align with our brand's look and feel. Customizing Okta not only enhances the user experience but also reinforces your company's identity every time user logs in. We would also love to connect with you on other platforms. Be sure to follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update.